Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be showing you guys the AiMake option that is available on xTool. We're going to be creating a Santa themed project today. We're going to click on Design Find in the Creative Space software here. It's going to open up this program right here, and then you'll see AiMake at the top. You can click on that. If you don't have your login logged in here, it'll ask you to log in. But then you have all of these different features that you can select from and choose to create AI-related SVG or PDF files from. Today, we're going to go ahead and just do a customized logo. And for this, you can choose your logo style. Let's go ahead and make it kind of in a sports theme logo here. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use this prompt right here, a round logo silhouette featuring Santa drinking a coffee flanked by 2 Christmas trees in the background. And then we're going to put the text, Merry Christmas on there. And then we're going to have the text centered. So let's go ahead and click generate and see what that looks like. We'll generate that. And there you go. We have 2 different images that has Santa drinking a coffee. It says Merry Christmas. And then 2 Christmas trees in the background. I kind of like this one on the right better. So I'm going to go ahead and download this so we can use it here. I'm going to go ahead and just hit save really quick on that. So now that we have that saved, we're going to go ahead and pull that into the xTool software here. We can also just click import right here. We're going to click import and we'll see if that'll just upload straight to xTool software for us. And yes, it will. This is showing me the tutorial because I had to re-download the software, but we're going to scale to fit on the canvas here for our xTool F1 Ultra. And as you can see, here is the image here. So what I'll probably have to do is invert this image based on what I wanted to do is I'm going to put this on a cup here. But we're going to go ahead and invert this image. We're going to start the engraving. And that's pretty much it for the video. I know it was super short and quick to the point, but that is the new AiMake software that I wanted to show you guys.